Okay, here's the 3D printed clock. It's been running, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. And it's just a tad slow, so I've adjusted the weight on the pendulum there. You can see the pennies that are the weight to give it energy, and the pendulum swings way down, almost to the floor. Sort of the business end there where you hear the clicking. The time is sort of useless. I've just got it. The hour hand I cannot adjust. The minute hand I've been moving and checking it in 5-minute intervals with against my stopwatch on my iPhone, and it seems to be working pretty good. Here's all the trays of pennies. I've got to cut the zip ties that hold them all together. And the piece of tape here that was holding all the fishing line together to keep them unraveling, it was too tight up against the gear, and I'm just gonna let it, as it works down here, I'm gonna cut it off the fishing line. But there it is. So far, so good. Gonna let it run here. It says it's run about 8 hours on a wind up, but gotta keep checking the time here and keep adjusting the weight there to see how accurate we can get it. Good Christmas present.